friends, welcome back to the science class. Yes, before video we saw the first lesson and half part, but this time we will also see the second part, that is respiratory system. The respiratory system provides oxygen to the tissues of the bodies and removes carbon dioxide from the tissues. The respiratory system provides us oxygen. This respiratory system provides us oxygen from the tissues and removes the carbon dioxide from the tissues. We need the air we breathe inside is known as oxygen, and air we give outside is known as carbon dioxide. There are three major parts of forming the respiratory. This forming respiratory, for taking the breath, we have three major parts. What are the? Come, we can see. There are airways, lungs, and muscles of respiratory system. See, we can see full, and there are many parts also. See, nostril, nasal cavity, pharynx, larynx, trachea, bronchi, brachio, alveoli. You know, people suffer due to smoke. Human beings suffers due to the smoke, and this smoke contains large of carbon monoxide. This is a toxic. This is harmful for our body if we breathe. People when influenced in smoke on fire due to sap. This only causes the fire due to only we are having many lungs problem will come. Breathing problem, lungs problem, that and all will come. Now, come we can see airways. What is airways? The airways include the nasal cavity, pharynx, larynx, trachea, bronchi, and lungs. This airway includes, means it has nasal cavity, pharynx, larynx, trachea, bronchi, and lungs. These parts the airway contains, and this carries air between the lungs and the surrounding. This only airway only carries the lungs along the lungs and along these lungs. And what is lungs? The lungs are the primary organ. These lungs are primary organ. If there is no lungs, we can't breathe. They are paired. They are two, and they are cone-shaped organ. They will be like a cone shape, and they are located near the backbone on both sides of the heart. The backbone, the lungs are located near the backbone, and both sides of the heart. Between the lungs, between the lungs, here only will be the heart. Here only will be the heart. And they are located near the backbone of the heart. Muscles of respiratory system. And muscles, what are muscles? The muscles include diaphragm and installed muscle. This diaphragm and installed muscles, they only include diaphragm and installed muscles. And they act as pump and push air into and out of the lungs during breathing. They will push the air and pump the air into the lungs breathing. And third is circulatory system. Circulatory system is heart only. Then we can see briefly. In this system, blood is circulated to transport oxygen and nutrient to every part of the body. And this system contains oxygen and nutrients. Blood only circulate. It is only having all the oxygen and nutrients, and it only gives every part of the body oxygen and nutrients. And the circulatory system is divided into three parts. There are heart, blood, and blood vessel. First, come we can see about heart. What is heart? The heart is hollow muscular organ. This heart is hollow muscular organ, and it is somewhat in conical in shape, cone-like shape, and it is covered with double pericardium. Pericardium is outside only, it is covered, and the stem is filled with this pericardium fluid. That pericardium is when the hollow is some place, it's filled with pericardium fluid, and this fluid protect the heart from shock. This pericardium fluid protect from shock. If the shock is came, we can have heart attack. And this place is rib cage. Rib cage between, it is protected by the rib cage and between two lungs. I told you before that this is between the protected between the rib cage, and rib cage is an organ between the lungs. And what are the part of the heart? Means right pulmonary veins. This is only right pulmonary vein. Aorta, left pulmonary vein, right pulmonary artery. This is red color is pulmonary artery, and this is left pulmonary artery, and this, see, this part left atrium, this part right atrium, and this is right ventricle, left ventricle, cardiac muscles. This is muscles, this and all. Okay? And the heart is divided into 4 chambers. This heart is the upper chambers. The upper chambers is called arteries and artericle and single artery, and the lower chambers are called ventries. The upper and lower chambers of the heart are separated by a muscular wall or tissue, and this part is also known as arnical ventricle septum of the heart. This is known as arnical ventricle septum of the heart. This lower and upper chambers, 2 chambers, and the heart has 4 chambers. The right side of the heart receives deoxygenated blood and from a various part and pumps it to the lungs for oxygen, and which is not oxygenated. The blood receives the right side of the heart, and it gives oxygenated blood to the lungs, and the lungs pumps it to oxygen. And the left side of the heart receives oxygen, and the left side of when the lungs pumps the oxygen, and it receives the left side of the heart, and it pumps to different, and it only pumps to all part of the body. And blood, second we are going to study blood. A blood transport nutrient, oxygen, waste and hormone. This blood only transport nutrition, oxygen, waste and hormone. Nutrition, fats, carbohydrates, this all the blood only transfer. Oxygen and waste is also it only transfer. And the volume of blood, how little volume in human adults is 4 to 5 liters, and it regulates water level and body temperature. It also regulates, blood only regulates the water level and the body temperature also. And the normal body temperature of human body is 99 Celsius to 99.99, and blood is pumped throughout the body by the heart, and the blood is pumped by the body by the heart, and it takes oxygen to tissues and cells, and finally reaches the lungs to take oxygen again, and this deoxygenator finally takes to the lungs for make oxygen, take oxygen again. And blood vessels. Blood vessel contains of arteries. This blood vessel contains of arteries and veins. Arteries carries the oxygenated blood. This arteries carries only which is oxygenated blood, except pulmonary artery which carries deoxygen from the heart. Pulmonary arteries only carries deoxygenate, which is not oxygenated, and veins also carry deoxygenation, except pulmonary vein. Pulmonary veins carries oxygenated blood to the heart. There are some animals like lobster and crabs that have blue blood. Some animals, lobster, crabs that have blue blood, and cockroach has colorless or white blood. Cockroach has white blood, and grasshopper have green blood. And next we are going to study excretory system. This excretory system removes the waste product, waste water, blood from our body, and regulate water and excellent balance. This also regulate water and excellent the balance. Kidney, lungs, liver, and skin together functions. This kidney, lungs, and skin together functions as excretory organ, and this consists three. There are kidney, ureteris, and urinary bladder. First, we can see kidney. The kidney filters the blood to remove waste and produce urine. The kidneys remove the waste and it only produces the urine. And the kidney have dark shape like a bean. Bean shape, dark red in color. And there are either behind the abdomen on the either side of the vessel. The behind is back of the arm, either the gurgulatory column. The average adult kidney measures kidney measures about 12 centimeter in length, 6 centimeter in width, and 3 centimeter in thickness. And the right kidney is slightly lower than the left kidney. The right kidney is lower. See here, the right kidney is low and the left kidney is upper. And each kidney is covered by the membranes called capsule. And the kidney has millions of excretory units that is called as nephrons, and which have structural and functional unit of the kidney. And kidney have many parts there. Right kidney, this is left kidney. Urethra, ureters, urinary bladder, and this is urethras. First we see ureters. Two ureters connect the kidney with the urinary bladder. Two ureters only connect with the left and right kidney. And urine from each kidney reaches urinary bladder through ureter. And when the kidney urine will reach to the urinary bladder. And urine, it is sac-like shape, bag-like shape, and act as temporary storage organ of him. This only store urinary bladder. Entering through the urine from the urethra slowly fill the hollow space. This will be empty, and the waste, blood, and water come through the ureters and slowly fill this hollow space. And urine is filled by the urethras. Thank you, friends. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. The third part we will see nervous system. Thank you.